The tech world is changing, and it's changing quickly. Each day it feels like there's something new to discover, and just when you think you've caught up, there's a whole new wave coming in. With so much innovation happening all at once, building your WordPress site and creating your contact forms has gotten a lot easier. But at WPForms, we like to lead the way in making complicated things crazy simple, and we're aiming to do just that with WPForms AI. With WPForms AI, you can take advantage of powerful, time-saving tools like AI Choices, which allows you to instantly generate lists for fields like multiple choice, dropdowns, and checkboxes, all at the click of a button. When working inside the form builder, you can add any of the aforementioned fields to your form, click on the Generate Choices button, and use the text field to describe exactly what you're looking for. You'll quickly get your desired information in list format, but it doesn't have to stop there. You can make changes to the information provided by entering additional prompts in the available text box. When you're happy with the result, you can click on the Insert Choices button to add the list to your desired field. You can use AI Choices to create a list of just about anything you can think of and make adjustments as you go along until you get exactly what you need, but at a fraction of the time spent. For us, AI Choices is just the beginning. At WPForms, we believe in making complicated things simple by paying attention to details to make sure we do the right thing every time and help our customers succeed. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.